Today, we'll walk you through the full process of using the phone case fixture designed for Android models. The full set includes 1 phone case mold, 5 filler blocks, 6 lens pads, and 3 sets of arc corners. Now, this diagram shows exactly where each of the 5 filler blocks should go. These blocks help fill in the gaps, support the case, and improve heat transfer during pressing. This fixture is made for Android phone cases. Based on your phone model, you'll need to choose the matching lens pad, filler blocks, and arc corners. Now let's walk through the whole process step by step. Set the appropriate temperature and time according to your phone model. Step 1. Pick the right arc corners that match your phone case, and install them onto the fixture. Step 2. Place the mold into the phone case heat press. Step 3. According to your phone case model, position the filler blocks on the fixture. Then preheat for 5 minutes. You can also use this time to dry your printed sublimation film on the heat press. Step 4. Choose the proper lens pad and stick it inside the case using heat-resistant tape. Be sure the tape doesn't cover any vent holes. Step 5. Firmly press down on the lower left corner of the phone case. This compresses the fixture and makes it easier to handle. Now place the sublimation film on top, and you're ready to press. Once the countdown ends, peel off the film. And that's it. Your iPhone case is done.